Alright, we're just unloading this trailer really quickly because this fella here went to the rubbish dump. I don't know what's happening at the moment, but he's told me that he's scored something. They're gonna charge him $10 for it because you can't get stuff free from the dump anymore, but you can buy it. He's got something for $10 and we need the trailer, and he's not telling me what it is because he wants to know my reaction. I get the feeling today I'm going to be traumatised. I don't know what's going on. Oh.
All it's got is a damaged cable, which I can replace.
Oh,
that's
gee.
Posh up, beautiful.
Oh, no way. It's still got all the tools in there. And funnily enough, we're going to take it off the trailer using a winch that Clint also found at the dump quite some time ago. So do we know what's wrong with it?
Yeah, I'll just remove this piece here. I'll just have pipe has to come off. It just needs a new one of those. He should be golden.
So what does it need a new one of? What's that called?
That's what goes to your gas appliance. So it goes to your gas bottle, so we just have to take that off, change that, and everything should just work. It feels like there's batteries somewhere, but we just don't know where. And that would be the battery, look at that.
Straight in there. So there's two ignition button thingies.
There's some more batteries, we have to check that out.
She pushed it in my top while I was carrying her bag. I had a feeling if I pushed her, she would have bagged onto the road. Yeah.
That way. Who needs an instruction manual?
What's the bet? They didn't have the right thing for it, and this was slightly too short, so it was supposed to take a bigger gas bottle, so they stuck an extension on it.
Oh, yeah.
So they've cut and extended it, which is just not the thing to do. This is it. We just have to clean this up. You look at all the burners here. Just little pins go through the bottom of these, and we can just lift them straight out. We can get there and clean all that out. And look at this. Open that up. There's a sliding door for the LPG. Shall we get started?
Need to get all the muck off there too.
Try out this. This is what we use to save $400 on headlights. That's how much headlights cost here in New Zealand. Because I've got a bit of, what do you call that stuff?
I think it was pollen.
Pollen
just
on it
over
from
years.
trees that ate into the plastic, and it failed a warrant. So that cost us $400. So I got some of this here, which is
It's just the scrubby stuff you buy for cleaning dishes.
yeah, clean, yeah, very mild. I often use it for polishing up pipes before I do a weld. So I put some of it on one of these machines,
Orbital sander,
orbital sander, and just a little bit of green leaf or just a little bit of cleaner, just to keep it wet, and actually ground it back to a mirror finish, and we pass our warrant with it. So we're going to try doing the same here with this. Time
Cool.
and effort.
Oh,
But
just let it soak.
yeah, the hard thing is I'm not very good at waiting. As you can tell, I've already had 3 goes since I said let's let soak overnight. Yeah, so we'll clean them up with a wire brush.
Cool.
Right, so I got the piece that I broke loading it up prepared. I tried to do it myself and realised it was just cheaper to get someone else to do it. So I'm going to put this back on. I'm going to take the other one off and spray paint that and put all the panels and everything back together, because I've cleaned up all the elements and everything, given them a good wire brush, and we'll put them in and we'll polish it up and it should look great. And as you can tell by the runs in the paint, I actually used proper paint that's made for getting hot, for that you use on fireplaces, but because I'm impatient, I didn't wait for Sarah to spray paint it and I did a bad job. So the next one Sarah will do.
I would not have done that.
Yeah.
Let it be known.